Okay, so this is Dubai Intersec new product from LILIN. So we call the Smack Factory, and we are able to use QR code, which is available on all the market. Like this is, we simulate baggage direction. So some baggage go to international flight, and some go to domestic flight. What we can do is this is just, imagine this is a suitcase. Every suitcase has a tag, but can we use a QR code? So we can put it here. So here you can see it show international, it's recognized as international. And then the gate can go there. So in the live view, you can see that the AI identified the drink in live situation. This is live demo. This is not just a playback. So you can see, identify that there's a coffee, it's a Sprite. So we use LILIN camera combined with a computer on the back. It runs the AI engine to do this demonstration. So the benefit is you can do a lot of different scenarios, different purpose to do this kind of AI. So this device is a built-in LPR system, which means that everything can be done from the camera and doesn't need a back-end server. So we can store up to 1,000 plate for whitelist and 100 plate for blacklist. All the information coming from the camera. So you can see on the bottom right the plate number, and by using our navigator you can use plate search. For example, if you have event or specific car, so you can search the car and see the video. Traditional matrix you can see on the market is just display video, or you can see map, but that's all. We have abilities to display different kind of source. We can display analog stream, RTSP stream, device using the P2P. We can show the video, like a YouTube video or any movie. So let's show you the interface. So we have, this is the interface, the software interface. So we can adjust every kind of setting. And here you can see here, we support the EMAP. I can create multiple windows, multiple rooms, for example. Here we can support up to 144 monitors. Okay, so this is the LILIN access control system. So let me show you the different kind of device. One function is it supports the wagon reader, and it's a web-based interface, so you don't need to install any specific software on it. So for the operator, it's very convenient to use and very flexible platform. So on this model, for the AR2015E, it can act as a standalone controller. So you install this one in a house, and it can trigger door lock, door sensor, or siren. But you can also use it with a PoE box. So the PoE box provides the power to the controller. So let's make a demo. So this means door lock, door sensor, and alarm. So let's say I open the door. I can open the door. And if the door is still open after a period of time, you can set up an alarm. When you forget to door, you will see alarm, and it will pop up the camera of the door. So for managing access control, this is very added value. In a traditional alarm system, you only see alert, but no video. So what I can do to disable the alarm, close the door. So this is one type, and another type is a multi-door control. So one controller can control up to 8 doors, and we can use the wagon reader. So it doesn't need to have the keypad. So let's say I take this card, I open the door, and it's the same. If the door stay open after 5 or 10 seconds, which been set up before, alert, and all the event is recorded into our web page. So the only way to disable this alarm is to close the door. So it's very easy to use. So this is our access control from LILIN. So this is the LILIN smart surveillance system. So let me show you the different components we show for Intersec Dubai. So we have our NVR, we have a gateway, and different wireless device. So the main purpose of smart surveillance is for the aftermarket. Many houses, they build the house, but after they want to install device, it's not easy to destroy the decoration. So wireless device is very convenient and easy to install. So what we do is we integrate these different devices, a gateway, a plug, switch, siren, PIR, door sensor, all using the Zigbee protocol. And because it's a mesh network, so there is no problem of doesn't reach the limit. So it uses every device to send the signal. And it's very safe because battery is always in sleeping mode. So you don't have to worry about changing the battery every 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. So let me show you a demo. For example, this is the PIR sensor. Usually the PIR sensor is mounted on the wall. If somebody remove it, we call it tamper. And then you can trigger one specific camera in our NVR. So in this scenario, need a manual operation. The card needs to sieve itself and do manual come back to display mode. This is different from the market of CCTV. Normal CCTV, when there is a motion, full screen, and come back to quad mode. But for the market for manual operation like guard, school, they need manual operation to come back to normal. And let's say, okay, imagine there is a light, and there are 2 switches. One switch is the entrance of the building, and one switch is in the living room. So we can set up the 2 switch to control the same room. So please come. So this is where we connect the switch. So I press the button here. Press 1 time. It turns on. If I go to the living room, I want to close the light. I don't need to go back to the entrance. Press 1 time. The status is off. Another one is I can set up this button to trigger siren. So I press 1 time. Siren will turn on. Press 1 more time. Siren will turn off. So many scenarios. So this we've combined IoT device with security device together. So we can make a set. So this is LILIN new product for this set, and you can combine any camera.